All right, last break of the night, we're doing the last Series 5 bat that we've got through Hit Parade. So this is out of 100. This is going to be number 75. So still looking for that Trout. You've got Francisco Lindor. You've got Schwarber. Some really huge names that are in here. So last weekend, we pulled a nice 1983 Baltimore Orioles World Series champ signed bat. That Steven, did you get that this week yet? Has it come to you? So trying to find the Cal Ripken, Jim Palmer, some of those autos, but a lot of autographs that were on that one. So let's see if we can pull another nice bat out of here for this one. So here is the rundown for the Series 5 bats. So Ben S., you've got the Brewers. Brian G. with the Tigers and the Padres. Donnie with the White Sox. Jeff M. with the Indians. Jeremy B., you've got the Angels and Blue Jays. John W. with the Diamondbacks, the Red Sox, the Reds, the Rockies, the Dodgers, the Phillies, the Pirates, the Cardinals, and the Rays. Joseph P. with the Oakland A's. Justin, you've got the Twins. Marty with the Braves and Astros. Paul Z., you've got the Rangers and Nationals. Scott K. with the Royals. Sean G. with the Cubs and the Mariners. Sean H. with the Mets. Stephen B. has got his Orioles again and the Marlins. Two teams that seem to keep hitting on this. Dr. T with the Yankees. And then Zach, you've got the San Francisco Giants. All right, here we go. So let me show you. It's all sealed up. So there's the seal on that end. Yeah, I'm hoping I just missed the Ripken. And I wish the Leaf C of A would tell you all the signatures on it, but it didn't. All right, we're going to go to Series 7 Wednesday and Thursday. All right, we got a black bat. It's David Adams certified. Oh, that's not the name we want to see. Although we've pulled him before. I think we pulled his jersey not too long ago. So Taiwan Walker. David Adams C of A there. Nice looking bat. And nice auto too. So it's going to be based on length of service, which I think is going to be the Mariners. But let me double check and make sure. All right, so he is currently with Arizona. This is his first season there. He's played the last 4 seasons with Seattle. So that is going to be a Mariners hit, which is going to be Sean G. There are a lot of Mariners. A lot of Mariners, a lot of Marlins, a lot of Orioles too. So Sean, congrats, man. Nice autographed bat coming your way. So we will get that mailed out with everything else tomorrow. And that's going to do it for our breaks. So appreciate you guys joining us tonight for all the breaks. We'll do Series 7 Hit Parade bat coming up. It'll end on Wednesday night, and we'll break it on Thursday.